Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this quick tutorial about Act Companion. I want to show you a couple quick items and things you can do in Act Companion. Right here on my screen I have a person by the name of Ronald Adams. Let's say I want to edit Ronald Adams. I'm going to click and hold on his contact and I'm going to slide to the right. Now I can edit his contact by clicking on the edit button. Let's say I want to go back and delete Ronald Adams. I'm going to slide to the left and now I have the delete option. I'm going to click on delete and I'm going to be prompted. What I urge you to do is be very careful in this area. You don't want to delete people. I think there's a better way to do this inside of Act directly. Talk to me about that if you have questions. I'm going to say no. So slide to the left, slide to the right gives you some options with context. Next, I'm going to go into the activities area. You'll notice if I slide to the right, I can edit an activity. If I slide to the left, I can clear the activity. Very easy to work with. Just a couple shortcuts for sliding to the left and sliding to the right within Act Companion. Thank you very much. Be well, my friends.